Hi, in this tutorial I will guide you through the quick setup of the conversion based incentive campaign. In the first step you have to enter the basic details like campaign name, status, expiry date, landing page and select either campaign participation as conversion or a specific goal conversion page as conversion. Goal conversion page can be the thank you page of an e-commerce cart. Once filled up the details, you can click on update and move to the next step. In this step, we'll configure the coupon code for the participants. The first field is number of referrals, which is the number of referrals after which the user will receive the coupon. So I have entered one over here. Then you can select either to give the coupon code only once or each time the number of referrals are converted. The next step is to set up the coupon. You have to enter the basic details like name, validity, description, checkout link, which is the link where the coupon can be used, and you can then select either the unique coupon codes or issue the same coupon code to everyone. Once filled, click on submit to update the same. Click on next to move to the next step. Here you can enter the pop-up description which is the same as it appears in this pop-up. You can edit the same through the WYSIWYG editor. You can add a link, you can add a picture through a pic icon, or you can edit the HTML source code as well, or you can just change the text by simply typing in the editor. Click on update to update the same. Similarly, you can edit the button setting. You can adjust the color and text. The button is this button which is visible on the site. Click on next to move to the next step. In this you have to configure the basic share settings like Twitter text, Facebook title, Facebook description and the feed image. So you can select the feed image, which is a 200 by 200 pixel image, and update the same. Similarly, you can configure the enrollment mail, invite friends mail and successful referral mail through the email templates. And click on next to move to the next step. This is very important step. Here you have to configure the URLs on which you want to display the pop-up. Just copy paste the URL where you want to show the pop-up and paste it exactly over here. You can either select the URL type to be absolute, wherein the widget will be visible only on this URL, or you can select it to be relative, wherein all the URL of which this URL forms the initial part will show the pop-up. So this is particularly useful in say showing widget, campaign widget on the entire category of your site. Then you can select between the button, pop-up or both options in the display. You can enter the number of times you want to show the pop-up, after which only the button will be visible. You can add a delay to the opening of pop-up as well. Just click on submit to add the same. You can add multiple URL through this way, and you can also remove the same through the edit section. Once done, you can integrate the code on your website either through one of our popular plugins like OpenCart, PrestaShop, WordPress, Magento or Drupal, or you may directly copy paste the JavaScript widget in the footer of your website. Once done, this is it. You can check it on your website and it should show the pop-up as configured. You can go to the My Campaign section and click on the edit link to edit the campaign anytime. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you.